Lalak ko na yun. Pag-block na yun dito. Sana mag-block.
Pwede mo pa rin siyang higaan.
Pwede. O talaga lang. Lahat ng pictures mo yan.
Thank you to each and every single one of you for joining us here this afternoon. We got one last surprise for all of you, so please stay here, invite your friends as well, and tell them to pay a visit to Big Carolina. We will see you guys in just a bit. For now, our brand new ambassador is being given away and walk around the area. If you want to say hello as well, do so. Again, please stay here. We have one last surprise coming your way. This is again the first meeting for you with Bianca Day. Thank you.
Madali lang yan sa sakali na.
up? This is your Mommy K from Alberta, Canada. I just wanted to say happy belated birthday and congratulations on your new season of Station Royale and your, of course, endorsement with Caroline. I couldn't be any prouder. And yeah, I'm just here to support you all the way and I love you so much, my superstar.
You're the Glass Boss! Congratulations with the day!
Hi Kiana, this is Jan Wilson Villanueva and I'm your biggest fan. And I just wanted to congratulate you sa first episode ng Station Royale. Napakagaling mo, keep slaying, and please see you soon. Bye-bye, ingat ka lagi.
Base Mango Map, 300 going once. 300 going twice. Sold for 300 pesos. Congratulations. Sulit na sulit. Thank you so much. All right, next up we have here, ito Voltes 5, lot of 6 ba to? Anim, no? Ayun, iba't ibang kulay, Voltes 5, 12 cm figures. Yup, Voltes 5, ito iba't ibang kulay, ito may secret. Wala yan. Yan, puro Voltes 5. Starting bid natin dito, 50 pesos. 50, 100, anybody 100? 100 pesos. Anybody at 100 pesos? Voltes 5 equals 100. Do we have 200? Meron ba tayong 200? 200. For the Voltes 5, 200. 200 pesos for the lot of 6 pesos right here. Nagbabayad siya doon. Nagbibid na siya ulit. 300. Meron ba tayong 300? 300. Sulit to. Voltes 5. Lot of 6. Voltes 5, 300. Anybody at 300? 200 ang ating last bid. 300, meron pa tayo dito? 300 pesos. 200 ang ating last bid. 300, meron ba 300? 200! Sulit na 200 going once! 300. Hindi na tinginan, 300. 400, anybody at 400? Anybody at 400? 400! 400, yes. 400, 500, anybody at 500? Anybody at 500? 500! Meron ba tayo 500 dyan? Meron ba tayo 500 dyan? 500. 400 dito. 400 going, 400 going once. 400 going twice. 500 nandito. Palipan-lipan siya ng pwesto kasi. Kanina nandito siya. 500, yep, 500. 500. Anybody at 600? 600 pesos. 600 pesos. For the Voltes 5 figures. 600 pesos. 600. Wala. 500 going once. 500 going twice. Online wala. Online wala. Wala na pahabol. 500 sold for 500 pesos. Sulit na sulit. Thank you. Thank you so much. Si Crypto! Hello! Oh my God! Okay, so right now, we have here Superman kasama si Crypto and we are auctioning off Tifa Lockhart. Cute arts. Anong boses kaya ni Tifa? Pag nagtagalog si Tifa Lockhart, ano sasabihin niyo?
Kamusta kayo? Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayon.
Wow!
Sige na, mag-print na kayo.
Okay. Okay. Bidding starts at 500 pesos for Tifa Lockhart. 500 pesos. Anybody at 500 pesos? 5H. 5H. Anybody? 5? 600 pesos right here. 700. Anybody at 700? 700 pesos for Tifa Lockhart. 700 pesos. 700. Anybody at 700? Meron ba dyan? 700? 700. 800? Anybody at 800? Anybody at 800? 800? Meron ba 800? Right here, 900. Meron ba 900? Napakaganda niyan. Tifa Locker na yan, 900. 900 pesos. Meron ba dyan 900 pesos?
900.
900 na. Oh, meron ba dyan? 900? Meron ba? 900, 800, going once.
900!
900 right here, 900 here. 1,000, meron ba tayo 1K? 1K. 1,000 right here.
1,000.
Wala na patuptik-tuptik pa. 1,000 nandito. 1,000 nandito. Anybody at 1,100? 1,100. Anybody at 1,100?
1,100.
1,100. Meron ba dyan? 1,100. 1,000 going once. Online, meron ba tayo? 1,100. Wala. 1,000 going twice. Sold for 1,000 pesos. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Tifa Lockhart. Thank you. Okay, sir. Hello. Ito naman ang next natin. We have here Overlord Shaltier Blood Fallen. Cute bunnies. Tingnan. Super cute. Oo. Okay. Starting bid. Sasabihin ko sana paano mo siya bobosesan eh. Pero, hindi yata kaya. Okay. Starting bid natin dito. 250 pesos.
250.
300.
Ang baba niya,
400.
400.
500. 500.
Ang bilis, oh. Ang bilis, oh.
600. 600.
Sobrang ganda. Kahit yun na,
600.
600.
700.
700.
700. Anybody at 800?
Kaya, oh. Ang galing.
800. Anybody at 800? 900. Meron ba 900?
Ayun.
Ikaw din? 900. 900.
1,000.
1,000 right there. 1,100. Meron ba 1,100? 1,100. Meron ba 1,100? 1,000 right there.
Baka online
1,000 right there. Online. Meron ba tayo dyan? 1,100. Online. Meron ba? Meron ba tayo? 1,100.
Super cute bunny.
Oh, super cute. 1,000. Anybody? 1,100? 1,000 look this sir. 1,100. Anybody at 1,100? Anybody at 1,100? 1,000 going. 1,100.
1-1 here.
1,100.
Yan, 1-1.
Hey, 1,200. 1,200. Meron ba 1,200?
Kaya pa nila yan.
1,200. 1,200. Anybody at 1,200? 1,100. Nandito. 1,100. 1,200. Anybody at 1,200?
Pwede nilang itabi ito sa pagtulog.
Pwede.
Guys,
1,100.
sulit na sulit yan.
1-1. Anybody at 1-1? Ay, 1-2. Sorry. 1-2. Anybody at 1-2? 1-1 going once. 1-1 going twice. Sold.
Congratulations.
Unique labor price. Okay.
Vlog ko lang kuya, okay lang.
For our next one, we have here number 15. Let us see God Down, the witch from Mercury Anti-Spirit Sonata Mercury. Yup. Starting bid natin dito. 250 pesos.
Okay.
250 pesos.
50.
Yan. Who wants to start the bid? 300. Anybody have 400?
Meron dito, sir. 4. 5.
Ingat lang, 600.
6,000.
Huwag ka na muna umalis dyan. 700. Anybody at 700? 700. Anybody at 700? Meron ba tayo nakikita dyan? 700.
Ito daw, sir. 700. 700.
700. Okay. 800 ka ba? 800? Anybody at 800?
800.
800? 800 pesos. Meron ba? 700 din dito. 800 pesos. Anybody at 800 pesos? Wala na po. Interesado? Wala na po. 800 pesos. 700 going once. 700 going twice.
wala ka na.